Topic title: English Learning Motivation for Beginners. English Learning Motivation for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome to English Boost Motivation. Today's video is very important for you. English Learning Motivation for Beginners. Many people think English is too hard. My pronunciation is bad. People will laugh at me. Let me tell you one thing. You can learn English. You do not need talent. You need practice. Part 1. Change your mindset. English is a language, not a subject, not a punishment. Children make mistakes that they learn fast. You must make mistakes, speak slowly, practice daily. Mistakes mean learning. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me grow. Part 2. Why English is important. English helps you get a better job. Speak with confidence. Travel easily. Use the internet. English is not only for rich people. English is for everyone. One sentence a day is enough. Small steps create big results.
Part 3. Remove fear and shyness. Fear is normal. Everyone feels shy. But remember, people were busy with their own life. No one is perfect. Speak to yourself, mirror, friend, phone recorder. Your voice matters. Part 4. Simple daily English habit. Do this every day. Morning, say 5 English sentences. Afternoon, learn 5 new words. Night, repeat what you learned. Example, I wake up early. I drink water. I go to work. Simple English is powerful.
Part 5. Speak English without translation. Stop translating every word. Think in simple ideas. Instead of, I am going to market, think, market, buy food. English will come naturally. Slow thinking is okay. Part 6. Motivation boost. Never give up. Every expert was once a beginner. They were scared too, but they continued. English is not a race. It is a journey. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I will not give up. I believe in myself. Final message and practice. 38 to 40. Now say loudly, I start my English journey today. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. Thank you for watching English Boost Motivation. See you in the next video.